Hey guys! Today we're trying to fix Instagram issue. Page isn't available right now. So if indicates that your Instagram page is not available right now and you're facing some issues with this, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to solve this, step by step. So what we actually need to do first, in order for us to solve this issue, we need to go ahead and make sure that we are using a stable internet connection with our Wi-Fi. And if you do have some issues with your Wi-Fi, and see which one between the two is going to work better, essentially, this will ultimately solve your problem. And if you are still experiencing some issues with your Instagram page isn't available right now, you could also go ahead and double check your Instagram version on your app stores and make sure that you're also using the latest version of Instagram on your device now. If you do have an update available on this application, I advise you is to update your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.